Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel, guys. My apologies for being MIA. Yay, sibhizi emsebenzini shamafuqa amanga. Umuntu is just constantly learning. Go to work, come back, you have to study. Go to work, come back, you have to study. Nje. So isikhathi, I don't want to lie to you, but that will soon change. But however, I did come across this video. I'm just going to post a video of this guy speaking about the reason why I'm making this video, or yeah, and then we'll talk. Check out this video and then we'll talk.
Cyberbullying in South Africa. This girl decided rather not to be around anymore because South Africa and cyberbullying. She posted a trend where they say where two worlds collide. She put a photo up of her parents, and when you slide, it was a photo of her. And people decided to say the worst, most horrible things to her. And that is South Africa. This is how it goes. If you put yourself out there, South Africa will make sure to give their opinions, laugh at you, drag you, cyberbully you, till someone decides, you know what, enough is enough. When is this gonna stop? Keep your opinion to yourself. You don't know when someone is on the edge, and it takes 2 or 3 words to say, yep, that's it. Sure.
When I was bullied for being fat, did anyone apologize to me? No, because nobody cares about bullying. Not unless you're pretty or rich or special. But if you're fat or ugly or just uncool, you just let.
So as you guys have heard, this is a very sensitive issue. This is a very sensitive issue, Shem. I do not want to lie to you. You know, with my videos, I always urge people to love themselves, to forgive themselves, to always give themselves a chance to becoming better people. And that also includes myself. As much as I do say that, another thing that I do also say, Guti, it definitely takes time. You understand? Rome was not built in one day, as the saying goes. It's a step at a time. Islonda, or the wound, sisuke sisaqala ukuheala, but isuke singakahili completely. Now you've identified ukuthi you have self-esteem issues, and then you are like, Yazin, let me try and work on this. Let me try and learn to love myself and all of that. Or yeah, let me try to build my confidence. While you're busy trying to do that, yes, you have accepted Guti, you have a weakness, and yes, now you are taking the initiative of working on that weakness, and then someone just comes as ukuthunuka. Then someone just comes nje azo isilonda sesiyahila, fika umuntu azosigubha kabusha. Afike nje azosivula nje sibe kephu, futhi singagcini ngokuthi sibe kephu, asivule size siphophoma igazi. Regardless, someone once said ukuthi there's this other guy called Nico Aesthetics here on YouTube Do check him out. I'm a huge fan. He once spoke about indaba yokuthi when he was the time esasenomzimba, comparing how people treated him when he had weight, eyisdudla, and now as he has a nice body, people treated him differently. People treated him differently. He even stated in Dabagut, when you are attractive, people tend to be bayacabanga mabezokhuluma nawe. Let me just sum up lending into Fugish. They don't ababi hash nje kuwe. Ababi hash. And you don't find understand about fethu ukuthi it's not just about ama looks. It's not. And in terms of being a person who's building themselves, who has been emotionally damaged or hurt or scarred, it has absolutely nothing to do with looks. Sibaning bafetu who are going around with bandaged souls, bleeding souls, and all of that. But we're still trying to pull through. We're still trying to be better people. You know? And then someone would just come. Abone njengathi wena udeserve ukuphila, wena udeserve ukuphathwa kahle, wena udeserve ukukhulunyiswa kahle. Bafethu ngane siyeke siphile impilo zethu kahle. Siyeke nisiphile impilo zethu kahle. Because as it was alleged on that video, there were a lot of nasty comments that were made. I do take this personal shame because I hate people who treat other people like shit. I hate that. Why can't you just keep quiet? Why can't you just block the person? Why can't you just swipe up? Why can't you just log out of the app? Why can't you just do that? What do you get after crash umuntu kumenza afile? Because another thing, hurt people do hurt other people. Fucked up people do also want to latch or unleash or keep ale hate yabo kwabanye abantu. They like doing that. And that's always only abantu abaheta abenza kanjalo. Angifuqa mamanga. Uboku ubheke akekho umuntu all right or emotionally intact ovela suka hamba ayohlukumeza omunye umntwana. Akekho. It's true. It's always low fucked up nayo nenkinga yakhe. Inkinga bafethu yes sonke sinazo inkinga, but the problem is that nine zeni inkinga nifuna ukukhipha itresi nathi. Nifuna ukudonsa iattraction. Same thing even applies with the homophobia. Homophobia, most of the time, I'm sure most of you all even know about this. Homophobia, by into ukuthi if kuzoba umfana, a straight guy who's after 9 in his scheme sakhe, a gay person walks past, kuzoba uyo zoqalenza ama remarks about that gay person. Why? Ufuna ukuthatha attention away from him ukuthi ibekwe kule ntuzana. Nakhona i-attention vele kahle kahle isuka ingekho kuye, but by virtue of ukuthi yena uvela abe nale feeling ukuthi mhlamba abangani bami bayabona. Most DL guys are very sensitive around gay people and when they are also straight people, because they feel like umuntu nje okay noma engadlula noma engaba in the same room with them, u feel as if ngathi uzom outer or something like that, even if lo muntu okay engazi lutho ngaye, next thing umuntu uzozama by all means, because of the internal feeling yakhe ye insecurity and nano feel like the way that they feel about themselves, uzofuna ukuthatha blame shift or ufuna ukushift attention ukuthi kubhekwe loya muntu loyo, the other gay person, and then attention ayisekho kuye, of which it was never even on him. It was only just in his head. Same thing applies with hurt people. baba hate bese bafuna ukuthi nomunye umuntu abe hate. Why? Because akekho la kubo bonke labantu laba ababhale all those comments and all of that. I did try to check the comments, but I could not find them. I could not even find the account. But however, nalokho I think it was best because mina vele ngiyathanda ukuba emotional. Ngiyathanda ukuthatha izinto nje ngama emotions angifuqama manga. What was I saying? Bayathanda abantu abanjalo. It's always abantu abahate. Bafethu yakani ingane zabantu ziphila impilo zazo. Everyone has been given a chance. Everyone unikwe impilo yakhe. If uniyoze 5 years ukuphila, angeke 5 years yakho ibe more oyandiswe because wena wenza omunye umntwana ukuthi ahambe ayosilimaza. Or ukuthi wena uphathe omunye umntwana kabi. Angeke uzuthola anything. Your life just does not get affected. If I am me, I am me. How? And I'm not doing anything that is affecting you. Kanjani ke manje wena ke usufila ngathi ke manje sekumele uzowenza something ezokuaffecta mina? Kanjani bafethu? And what I was even trying to say with this thing, my looks and stuff like that, is this thing with all of this vele with Ugel, apparently it was based on my looks akhe. And I cannot even imagine, even noma school abafethu, we do get bullied here and there. Of which that is also another thing that also contributes to us masisibadala having certain insecurities and having to also have emotional scars that if bandage. I cannot imagine, I mean, the things that she went through even as a kid. Next thing now, she does not only just need to go through this in person, now she also needs to go through this via social media, cyberbullying. How many kids have taken their lives because of being bullied? Why do you want to bully someone? Why? I just want to know, Guti, why? Yazi mhlambe I'm the one who's missing something out. I'm lost or I'm missing out on something. Yinle. Hey bafethu sigeni. Yo sigeni. Sanicela. Just be nice to everyone regardless of how they look. Because good looking or not good looking, we all going through shit. We all try to build ourselves up. And nobody deserves to be treated good because they look good. Everyone deserves to be treated good. Period. Everyone. Because even the same people who are doing all of this nonsense, you'll find out now that they've once went through something like that. Be it emakhaya, esikolweni, or emphakathini. If you went through something like that, how did it feel? Now, why do you feel like someone else must also go through what you went through? Don't you want to make the world a better place? Guys, we're already going through a lot. Ezinye izinto unnecessary. Unnecessary. I do not want to lie to you. Mina vele makufika nje kuyibullying. Mina uDominic ngiyamvuma shame. Mina ngiyeke. Angeke. Even ngiwitnessa someone being bullied. Khona nalanga ngasho engikwazi ukusho. Khona la ngangasho khona ngitshela abanye okay kusemsebenzini ngakhuluma ngasho ukuthi kukhona umunye naye wangathi unenkinga encane. Ngasho ukuthi mina kobe ngingekabona. Regardless ukuthi umncane umdala ubig usmall uphathe ingane zabantu kabi. You will find me. You will find me. Ungangicinga you will find me. Yabona abanye makuthiwa umsebenzi abawufunanga uzizele umsebenzi ufune bona mina nami ke ngiyoba kanjalo angeke ningicinge ngiyozizela mina asiyeke ukuhlumeza ingane zabantu asiyeke ukuhlukumezana asikuyekeni lokho bafethu ngiyace asikuyekeni akusizi ngalutho at the end of the day asikuyekeni ingane zabantu sekumele manje yekani abantu siyanicela yasesacela ke manje siyanicela. Ibhlungu ibullying kubhlungu uphathwa a certain way. Nami ngangakhuluma ngesinye istory ukuthi khona la ngangisebenza khona omunye ngitreat a certain way. Yay. Even after when I ended up having to stand up for myself sengikhathele nami. Manje ngihlonipha. Even after sengize nga stand up for myself, I did stand up for myself, but it took me a long time. Even namanje kusasekhona lokho kancane. Ilonde engakapholi to heal. You can stand up for yourself now, but it doesn't mean ukuthi uzovela ube healed like that. It doesn't mean the trauma is just going to go away like that. It doesn't. It takes time. Okunye, I don't know if it takes time to heal or it takes time for you to accept or to live with it and accept ukuthi wena wakaba ne trauma so and so I understand a lot trauma then you are. I don't know if that is called is that what they mean by healing or kuyaphola as a stone, but nje it takes time to heal. Into kungayithatha, as I said, ukuthi Rome was not built in one day. It can take 100 years, but it can just take into encane. Isikhathi esincane kabi ukuthi ihohleke yonke lento. Imagine. Yafethu siyanicela muzani kuyenza kanje. Ku right manje.